Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Great, so I love tofu. It's such an amazing ingredient, and the reason why it tastes so bland usually is because they don't put any salt in it when they make it. So once I just figured that out, my relationship with tofu has dramatically improved. So I've just got a chunk of tofu. It's about a pound, 450 grams, and I'm just going to make enough for one person. So just want to oil a tray just so it doesn't stick, because that would not be nice. And we're going to get it in the oven or under the grill, and you just want to grill it for a couple of minutes just to warm it up and to brown it a little bit. Awesome. So our tofu is lightly browned on the first side. I'm not going to bother. If you prefer things more toasted, you can totally give it longer. So then we want to put something salty on. So I'm going to use miso paste, but I've also done it with Vegemite. It's amazing if you're an Australian. Marmite would work, or Promite, or any of those things, or just salt. You could just sprinkle it, with a little bit of salt. But you get the extra flavor if you use something like miso. So we just want to, it's up to you how thickly you spread it. If you like things really salty, you might like to go for more. And then for our cheese, I've actually got, I'm just going to use Parmesan. This is a bit of a trick to get a bit of extra protein in. So I've got half a cup, which is about 50 grams of grated Parmesan. And then I'm just going to break an egg in and give it a bit of a whisk. And the cool thing about using the egg is, yes, you get the extra protein, but it also puffs up and just looks really, really nice when we're done. So just give that a stir. And then you want to just pile that egg mixture on top. Okay, and then just back under the grill for another 2 minutes. Perfect. So this is probably a little bit more brown than I would have normally gone for, but you can see it's all puffed up from the egg and it's all golden and gorgeous. And so I'm just going to serve it with some pickles and we are good to eat. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.